Sumi Fulton made this yummy dish called rock and roll paneer. So I'm going to make this because when I ate it, I felt like the yummiest thing came into my mouth. So instantly right there I thought, I'm going to make this. So today we're going to make rock and roll paneer. So let's get started. First let's add the spices. We have chili powder, pepper powder, salt and corn flour. Let's mix all together. If that's enough. Next, let's add the paneer. Now let's add a little bit of water. Okay, that's enough mixing. And now marinate it for about half an hour. I've marinated the paneer. So next let's fry it. Yeah, let's wait for the oil to heat. The oil is heated. Now let's add the paneer. We've got all of them. Now let's take a spoon. Let's fry our paneer. The paneer is ready. Let's take them out. So we're done with the first one. Now let's do the cashew nuts. Fry it till golden brown. Now let's take them out. Next goes in the carrot. Now let's start taking them out. I finished frying. Now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this oil to do the sauteing. Let's wait until the oil heats. Next, let's add the onions. Saute until cooked. Add chopped garlic. Now cook for a couple of minutes. Chopped spring onion. Next goes in salt, tomato sauce. So stupid. Hot and sweet sauce. And honey. Now mix. Let's add the fried items. It's done. Now let's serve. And our paneer starter is ready. Taste time. Big scoop. It's awesome. It's super yum. I love it a lot. Thank you, Sumi Fulton, for the yummy recipe. And that's why I like the name, Rock and Roll Paneer. It's actually rock and roll. yummy and easy too. I never knew paneer could be so tasty. Subscribe, like and follow on Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube.